Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Fast by Secondary Schools, our project of Iqra Education System. Dear students of class metric, before the break for winter vacation, we were going through a grammar topic, prepositions. And I had explained to you about 5 different types of prepositions. Simple prepositions, which were the single word or one word prepositions, double prepositions, compound prepositions, participle prepositions and phrase prepositions. I hope you remember them. I'll give you a little review of this and then we will further go ahead. But before I give you a review of these prepositions or types of prepositions, I have an interesting segment for you as usual. Yes, I'll ask you a riddle. Today the riddle is very technical and interesting also. The riddle says, if an electric train travels 90 miles an hour towards the west and the wind is blowing from the north, in which direction will the smoke blow? I'm reading it again. If an electric train travels 90 miles an hour towards the west and the wind is blowing from the north, in which direction will the smoke blow? For your ease and convenience, I've also drawn a compass here on the board. This is west, this is east, this is north, and this is south. You need to think about it logically and cognitively. Use your brain, use your mind, make calculation if need be, and then we will discuss the answer in the end of this video. Meanwhile, we will go through types of prepositions and some examples or sentences. These are 5 types of prepositions: simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition and phrase preposition. Just to review or remind you, a single preposition is the one that is one word preposition. Double preposition is a preposition made by 2 prepositions but written together. So such preposition which has 2 prepositions or which is made up of 2 prepositions but written together, joined together, is called a double preposition, while a compound preposition is the one which is also made up of 2 prepositions, but the difference is that between double and compound prepositions, that in double prepositions 2 prepositions joined together and written together, while in compound preposition 2 prepositions joined together but not written together, they are written separately. And participle preposition is the one that ends in ing or ed. Any preposition or any word functioning as a preposition in a sentence ending in ing or ed is called a participle preposition. And then phrase preposition or a preposition phrase means a preposition along with noun and its modifier. If there is any modifier, modifier means the. If there is any modifier along with the noun, so preposition plus modifier plus noun. Such phrase is called preposition phrase or phrase preposition. I have already given you quite some examples of these all 5 types of prepositions in the last video before the break of the summer vacation. You may go through that video, probably video number 20, and now we will go through the sentences and we will do some examples of these all 5 types of prepositions on the board. Here are these 5 sentences written on the board. What we have to do is we have to use any one of these prepositions in these blanks. Complete the sentences with at, in, on, by, or, for. So these are 5 sentences given to you. You have to use any one of these prepositions given on the board. We will do these 5 sentences collectively, which means through discussion. And after these 5 sentences are over, I will share a document with you people in this video, and you people will have to do the remaining sentences. There are around 25 sentences. So the remaining 20 sentences on your own with the help of these 5 sentences, which we will solve over here on the board. I like him dash first, but then he started being bossy and arrogant. Number 2, dash conclusion. The report told us to follow the guidelines. Number 3, we went to the stadium dash bus. Number 4, the nurse was dash duty from 6 in the morning until midnight. Number 5, dash your left. You can see one of the biggest libraries in the world. I hope it's not difficult for you to solve these. Let's discuss with me and then we will solve them. I liked him dash first. As I told you that there are two main uses of prepositions in the last video lecture. Fixed prepositions used for time, direction, place and all such things. And number 2, miscellaneous prepositions. So this is a mixture of mixed and miscellaneous, or fixed or miscellaneous prepositions. So when we use I liked him dash first, with first, which preposition do we use? At first, in first, on first, by first or for first? Very correct. At first. Number 2, dash conclusion. The report told us to follow the guidelines. Which prepositions is suitable to be used in this blank? Dash conclusion. At conclusion, in conclusion, on conclusion, by conclusion or for conclusion? Very correct. In conclusion. Number 3, we went to the stadium dash bus. At bus, in bus, on bus, by bus or for bus? Somebody said on bus? No. When we use a source of traveling, a source of transport, we don't use on, we use by. Number 4, the nurse was dash duty from 6 in the morning until midnight. At duty, in duty, on duty, by duty or for duty? Somebody said for duty? No. We use on duty. This is a fixed phrase, on duty, and we don't use any other preposition with this in this situation. Number 5, dash your left. Yeah, somebody said on your left. Yes, you are right. On your left, you can see one of the biggest libraries in the world. I will fill in these 5 blanks and you may meanwhile copy down these 5 sentences and then write down the answers in the blanks too. I have filled in these blanks with suitable prepositions. At first, in conclusion, by bus, on duty and on your left. Now we will go through the document and we will see that what are the other 20 sentences in that document. You people have to do these 5 blanks along with the 20 more sentences given in the document in your register in grammar section. Everybody, you have to do all these 25 sentences in your register in grammar section. Mind it. So here you are with the document and these are the sentences on the document. There are 25 sentences, 5 we have already covered. We will go through the remaining 20 sentences. When his wife died, he put up the house dash sale. Number 7, my sister traveled to the far east dash the first time dash her life. Number 8, dash theory, it was a good method, but we did not know if it would work dash practice. Number 9, we had to learn all the poems dash hard. Number 10, I filled out the wrong application dash mistake. Number 11, he's dash a diet, so don't offer him any sweets. Number 12, dash any case, the police have to catch the criminal before he causes any more harm. Number 13, the black Porsche was driving dash a speed of over 100 mph. mph stands for miles per hour. Number 14, after the attack they found themselves dash war with the enemy. Number 15, we must try to avoid deaths and casualties dash all costs. Number 16, John is dash university and comes home every 2 or 3 months. Number 17, why don't you go with your mother dash a change. Number 18, she had to travel to New York dash business. Number 19, the paintings are dash loaned to the Guggenheim Museum. Number 20th, she can't sleep dash night and always needs to take some pills. 21, dash all means we must try to bring all the parties together and work out a solution. Number 22, the children get dash trouble all the time. Number 23, I didn't want to break the vase dash purpose. It just slipped out of my hand. Number 24, do you dash chance have a phone charger with you? Number 25, could I have a word with you dash private? These are very simple and easy sentences. I will be sharing the solution to these all 25 sentences in the end of this video, but before that you may pause the video here and go through these sentences, write them down in your register and solve them. If you find any problem, you may leave that blank empty and you may refer to the solution in the end of this video. But before you go to the solution, you must try to do these sentences on your own by thinking or by just looking around that what word can be used, what preposition can be used in that particular blank. You may pause the video here for as long as you are doing these sentences and writing them down in your registers. Pause the video and then solve these sentences and then get back to this video and go through the solution of these sentences. Here you are with a solution. Starting from number 6. We use phrase for sale. Number 7, for the first time. Number 8, in fury. Number 9, by heart. Number 10, by mistake. Number 11, on a diet. Number 12, in any case. Number 13, at a speed. Number 14, at war. Number 15, at all costs. Number 16, at university. Number 17, for a change. Number 18, on business. Number 19, on loan. Number 20th, at night. Number 21, by all means. Number 22, in trouble. Number 23, on purpose. Number 24, by chance. And number 25, in private. I hope this solution would have been the same as you have solved in your registers. I also hope that you have understood that these prepositions are used with certain words in the same way as we have used them here. So you need to only memorize them, that with these some certain words we use these prepositions, and if they happen to appear in your examination paper, you won't have any problem, inshallah. Okay, we will meet again, but before that I would like to give you the solution to the riddle I asked you at the beginning of this video. Let's go through it. The question was, if an electric train travels 90 miles an hour towards the west and the wind is blowing from the north, in which direction will the smoke blow? I said, if an electric train travels 90 miles an hour towards the west, west की तरफ, west से east की तरफ नहीं बल्कि east से west की तरफ, towards the west का मतलब west की तरफ, तो ये आ कहाँ से रही है electric train? East की तरफ से आ रही है, and the wind is blowing from the north, north से हवा चल रही है, ये ट्रेन east से west आ रही है, electric train east से west की तरफ आ रही है और हवा चल रही है north से south की तरफ, तो उसका धुआं, इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेन का धुआं किस सिमत में, किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा? So the answer is very simple, but I can see that you people have made big calculations, you have put up your logics, you have used your brains, but the answer is very simple. Let's wait for an answer in a moment. So my brothers, the answer is very simple. An electric train doesn't have smoke. My goodness, you people were doing calculation, thinking hard, but nobody focused on this word. An electric train, an electric train. Electric train doesn't have any smoke. So the answer is this. I hope you enjoyed this riddle and you will enjoy more asking this riddle to your friends, family and relatives. We will meet again in the next video lecture with some more things to do. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. And yes, you need to take immediate measures and precautions to prevent yourself from the diseases, the common diseases like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, and an unexpected and a pandemic disease called COVID. You need to take measures, you need to take precautions and prevention to keep yourself safe from all such diseases. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.